In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money to Quotex using Bkash or Nagad. First, open the Quotex website or mobile app and log into your account. Make sure you are using the correct account where you want the deposit to appear. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the deposit button. It is usually shown near your account balance at the top of the screen. Tap or click on deposit to open the payment section. Now choose the amount you want to deposit. Quotex may show different deposit options depending on your country, currency, and available payment methods. Enter the amount carefully and make sure it matches the balance you want to add. Next, check the list of payment methods. If Bkash or Nagad is available, select your preferred option. In some cases, these methods may appear through a local payment provider, so the name might be slightly different. After selecting Bkash or Nagad, follow the instructions shown on the payment page. You may be asked to enter your mobile wallet number, confirm the amount, and complete the payment from your Bkash or Nagad app or USSD menu. Open your Bkash or Nagad account, review the payment details, and confirm the transaction. Always double-check the amount, merchant name, and transaction information before approving the payment. After the payment is complete, return to Quotex and wait for the deposit to be processed. Usually the balance is updated quickly, but sometimes it may take a little longer depending on the payment provider. If the balance does not appear, check your transaction history and save the transaction ID. You can use it to contact Quotex support or the payment provider for help. Remember, only deposit money you can afford to risk because trading involves financial loss. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.